Reading practice of lesson 50.
Practice number 2. Dear friend, if you like to grow plants indoors, you should get a copy of the Plants Grower's Guide by Mr. Mark Baird. Paragraph. In his guide, Mr. Baird gives you easy steps to follow to grow healthy plants inside your home. He tells you which plants you can grow and which plants you should not try to grow. He tells you when to water your plants and when to feed them. Get a copy of this guide and make your home into a healthy haven for nice plants. Paragraph. To get a copy of the Plant Grower's Guide, sign and mail the attached card. We will send you a copy by parcel post. It is not necessary to send cash. We will bill you for $8 later. Yours very truly. Reading practice number 3. Dear Sir, I have good news for you. We have been able to collect from the Central Street clothing store in Flint the $650 that you could not collect from them. We wrote them on June 10 that you were ready to sew them if they did not pay their bill by June 28. After a week or so, their check came in. Paragraph. Our collection fee is $90, Therefore, our check for the remainder, $560, another symbol of dash, is attached. Paragraph. If we can be of service to you again, please call me. Very truly yours. Reading practice number 4. Dear Madam, as you know, on June 18, our Main Street store filled your
prescription
for a pair of reading glasses. Period. Is this pair of glasses giving you the best of service? Question mark. Do the glasses fit properly? Question mark. If you are not pleased with them, comma, stop in and let a member of our efficient, comma, well, this is a symbol of hyphen, trained staff see them, period. Occasionally, comma, only a minor correction in the frames is necessary, period. We do not charge for this service, paragraph. We have a record of your prescription in our files, period. Therefore, comma, if you lose or break your glass, you can simply call our main street store and we will have a new pair ready for you in a matter of hours, period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 5. Dear Gary, colon, I am sorry to have to write you that we will not be able to ship your 12 staplers by June 15 as we originally promised, period. For the past 6 weeks, we have not been able to get the steel we need to produce these staplers because of an illegal strike at our Grand Forks plant, period. We have been told, comma, though, comma, that the strike has been settled in that we would have the necessary steel in a matter of 8 or 10 days, paragraph. I will telephone you when I am sure of the date on which we can ship your staplers, period. Sincerely yours, comma. Reading practice number 6. Dear Senator Swift, colon, according to our records, comma, July 20 is the day that you and Mrs. Swift got back from your vacation, period. We sincerely hope that you had a great deal of pleasure on your vacation. Paragraph. The first days after you get back home are often busy days. Period. There are lots of chores to take care of to get your home operating with the efficiency again. Period. That is why we are attaching a card on which you can indicate when we should start your milk service again. Paragraph. Why not fill in and mail that card while you have it in your hand. Period. It needs no postage. Period. Sincerely yours, comma. Practice number 7. Dear Sir, colon, if you have a weight problem, by all means get a copy of Miss Ethel Green's Reducing Can Be Easy. Period. In her reducing guide, Miss Green says that you can have bacon and eggs for breakfast. You can have cream in your coffee, and you can even have French dressing on your salad and still lose weight. Period. At least 20,000 people have tried Miss Green's methods of losing weight and are lavish in their praise. Paragraph. Reducing Can Be Easy sells for only $12. Period. Sincerely yours, comma.